Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet chili chicken burgers. These are one of my favorite recipes, and Flavia adores chicken as well, so we're both very excited to eat this. So I say we get started. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 small brown onion, finely diced. You can also grate this if it's too much of a hassle. 1 small carrot, grated. 1 small stick of celery, grated. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. 500 grams of chicken mince. Bread rolls. Garlic aioli. And oil and butter for frying the patties and the bread rolls. Let's get started. So as you might see, Flavia has started getting a little bit fancy. She's got now a little lapel mic and I love it. I'm gonna call it Simon. So what we're going to do is basically put everything into a giant bowl and mix it together. It's that simple. What amazement. And I am going to be putting on gloves because I have places to be today for once. So I don't want to smell like onion. Oh, it smells really nice though. That sweet chili. Whoa. So then, depending on how big you like your patties, make it between 4 to 6 patties. I'm probably gonna make about 5. Depends how much meat you like. You wanna make them all roughly the same size. And there's small. If you really wanted to be technical, you can weigh out the meat and then divide it exactly between all of them, but I ain't got time for that. So I've divided mine into 5 patties and they look interesting. They're gonna be delicious, don't worry, they just look a bit funny right now. We're going to go to our stove and we're going to fry our patties for about 5 minutes on either side on a medium-high heat until they're all cooked through. So you're going to need to cook these for between 3 to 5 minutes either side. This depends on the thickness of your chicken patties. Now, to make sure that these are cooked through, we're just going to cut through the center of one and make sure that it's not pink on the inside. See, mine needs about another minute as there's still that little bit of pink in there. So mine have been cooking for about 4 minutes on one side and 4 on the other. It'll probably need about another minute or 2. And then repeat the cooking with the rest of the patties. Okay, so now I've just got about a teaspoon of butter. I'm going to put that in my pan and then we're going to put our buns cut side down into the pan and let them get all nice and toasty and brown and get all the chickeny goodness. Just a little. Whoop. Okay guys, so that's how you make my sweet chili chicken burgers. So we got 5 in the end, but Flavia and I just have 1 in front of us each. And we're both really excited. And so, yeah, let's just get started because I'm really hungry. Let's eat. Cheers, baby. Cheers, baby.
Oh, that chicken though.
So by putting in the onion, the sweet chili, and the breadcrumbs in that, it helps soften it up because there's enzymes in the onion that help break down the meat. The white bread just inside just help make it fluffy.
Beautiful, the flavors are so nice.
Oh, it's so fresh as well. It's just like, oh, because sometimes beef burgers can be really heavy as well.
Yeah, and they can be really dry.
Yeah, this is just, oh, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
I mean, it depends how long you cook it, depending on how thick your patties, but like about 5 minutes because you really want it to be cooked. You don't want it to be raw because then you die.
You get salmonella and you die.
Yeah, we don't want that, no.
But yes. This is good.
You've got flour on your nose.
I expected as much.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye. Bye.